$20. Kalau faz gambar ya boleh ya, ya masih kupi.
Makan flowers. Wow.
It's a nice one, no? I will say it again. Yeah? Hello guys. Ooh, what's that? You got a blur right next to me. Oh my gosh, look at my hair. Hello guys, welcome guys and gals. Today's a Saturday and Aussie and I, oh my gosh, what is up with my hair? I just can't right now, guys. I can't deal with this face, but I got no one else to blame but me. And I've been enjoying life, me and me guy. Anyways, never let that get in the way of coming back and vlogging. So here we are. We are slowly starting to prep. We've got 2 more weeks. Oh my gosh, it is 2 more weeks. And so we're gonna slowly start prepping because we only have like a 3 to 4 day overlap where we'll get the keys from our new place, and then we got to be out of this place in 3 days from that time. So we're going to spend the next 2 weekends prepping because I don't want to have to be stressed out doing all of that, and I'm not really sure if Aussie can take any time off work, which is going to be a big problem. Currently we're going to go and clean out some of our garage. I've got the lovely task of cleaning all the windows and the cobwebs. And Aussie's going to do a little bit of landscaping out there because it definitely needs some TLC because of this guy down over here. Baby, was it you? Yeah, so what is up with my face? It looks all kind of swole. It's just water weight, guys. I feel like I'm just retaining a lot of fluid. Water weight, okay? Hey Tit Tot.
What's up?
What's up with you? That's the real question. Oh guys, my rug came. I want to show you. I want to show you this rug. So I selected it, but my beautiful sister Molly bought this rug for us. I'm so loud. Bought this rug for us. I got it from Wild Yarn, and if you can see, like, I'll post a picture of the exact one that I got, but I am super excited. It's a woven yarn one. So pretty, very expensive. I also woke up one day a couple weeks ago at 6 a.m. Someone was selling these Temple and Webster grey couches. They had just gotten it delivered and then they changed their mind. So I literally went at 6 a.m. to go and pick them up. Such a steal. I didn't need to pay delivery, and also I got 20 bucks off. So we haven't set them up yet. We'll set them up at the new place. I'm currently looking for a new lounge, but I'm like, girl, you need to slow it down. Just slow it down a bit, okay? There's no rush to get it all at once, but like, just in my mind, that's how I feel. I'm like, no, I actually do need to get it all at once. Like, I can't move in until I've got everything set up. It's all new, but I'm trying to change that, because, this. But yes, we're going to have to improvise where we can. And, but we also want a new king bed. We want a lot, so just prioritizing at the moment. I also want a big TV because we have never been able to mount a TV, and that's something that we're really looking forward to, being able to mount a TV, because we've never been able to do that before. So for the lounge, I want a big TV, and then this one I will just put in one of the rooms, maybe the office room or our bedroom or the guest room. So it's exciting. I really want to document this journey just to look back on, because the plan is eventually, I mean, I'm talking prematurely right now, but this is just like a starter house for us. This is just the beginning.
Hi guys, it's your boy Joti over here. I'm going to take my boat.
And then with the bottle income, whatever we get from the bottles, we're going to go and spend that at Bunnings for the cleaning stuff and, you know, the refurbishing. Show. Yeah, actually it's nice.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Joti over here. Today we're gonna go to take our bottle. Guess how much we're gonna get from our bottle?
$20.
$1 million.
Kalau faz câmera, eu olhei, ai, a mas kupi. Ai, a mas kupi kanga. Sao doa fuang fang. Eu sao wei fuang fang. Ain't no shame in our game, guys. Ain't no shame in our game. What the hell? This is free money, bro. If we're not doing it, someone's gonna come through our trash can and take it for us.
We're going to take our bottle. Pretty sure $1 million we get from this one.
Oh, what are you gonna get with your $1 million bucks?
I'm gonna buy a Lamborghini.
Ooh. Ooh, nice.
And it's worth it because I'm standing after the top. Burn my shoulder.
Đi xây ô video nó ngập cái phần nè. Giờ vậy ô cô dựng lại chim pin mà chắc đánh nhân video video nó ngập cái cá luôn mình mà show. Holy shit! Oh my god! The trick is don't go too fast, guys, because then it doesn't count. $47 buckaroonies, guys. Oh my god, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We are on our way, or well, guys, hello, hold on. I'm kind of stressed at the moment.
Hello.
Got Georgie boy over here. I cannot believe, yeah, we're still on the same wavelength. We're still very excited to be moving into our new home, but I had organized with the agent to have another inspection because my parents, we just got them back 2 weeks ago from Samoa and they're off again. So they're going to be gone by the time we actually move in and settle. So I asked the agent if he could open up the place again for my parents. So we're heading over there. They're going to be able to see it empty, and then when they come back they'll see it full.
They makan flowers. Wow.
Like con cá. Also, we didn't even bring the measuring tape. Nice big living area. Open space. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's a nice mom and dad?
Ngayon. Ngayon mo fali. Iya na di ingay. Ya for the alam god wang god. Ra ya ba ya go dua kamai seki ya. Dua mo po ya.
Mong po ay ko po makamakay.
Ya.
Oh my god, mong po.
Lâu gì.
Apa abang gua lalu dia ngai ku onde daru yo.
Apa abang gua không lại sao bây giờ.
Ade la au to kiringi mo. Yo mo ba. Phải đi cái kiringi ya ko be.
Cũng là sao mà ở cái khó lắm nữa. Thì có cùng lắm mà ở dưới đây cũng kỹ.
So cute. I will say it again. Yeah?
Kai mero fai. Keleo.
Listen.
Mero uru fai o fai kai na sili.
Okay, bye.
E ua waru au ngā kupe. O le aru ka whao so ni si mea. Kai mere i o kai mero ka whao kai mere. Mea maa usi. Fai ni le ahi. Fai mea wā monu mga. Le mawar maa losi. O mana kai mi mo maa kukua. Fai whanga. Ke mina ngā reo sarwa. Le maru ka whao. Ako kikiro ia kia au kai mi sa wai. O iai e siko inga masino mkua. Ma ua e le ai masiko maa. Ai sau ngi whainga runga. Nea, o le awa maua mauku. Le ala le warenga maua e o koumua. O mauku. E luki ai la resi ka laka masi. Mokora koe la ai lalo ai la sarvari. La ai runga.
I'm so proud of you.
La ai runga.
Osi and Vicky.
Ea.
Yele ri I me whai mai
Ko le au e le katu e
Ele awangi mi kamika I malua whapeo. Kele le oa. Ai vi yele ri I me wunga. Whai mo o kouke ngalo ia oe. Awole avele oa ma me ngalo ia o koule ri. Pa mo mole ri I me wunga. So
O mo sangi pepa kwa seru las fala i de. Verso le. My parents are choosing a room in the house.
Ma ke mai ia reti poku la.
That's always it is.
Ma wai le.
Like what?
Pe ko se lau, pe ko se lau. Se lau di mas fura rata.
So swing low now.
So ni long ku de ida. Pe ma ke o ara ma isa mo pongia.
What a liar. These two just be causing chaos all weekend. These two did. Playing. My brother's family dog, Peanut. Obviously, you know, Bear. These two just love to hump. Of course, P's looking for food. Of course, you're looking for food, P. Beautiful Sunday morning. Trying to vlog a lot more, and I just want to say thank you so much to everybody's lovely words who have been along with us from the beginning. And so you've seen like where we've come from. And I just want to say thank you for your love and support. I don't know at what point does it turn into a real fight, or is it still playful? Like, I'm getting scared now. They're fighting over the ball. Hi, P. Say hi to the squad. P's had the best weekend over at ours with Bear. He's been very spoiled. Mr. Fat Guts, there was one day that he actually ate 3 meals a day. Bear's been having this weird thing where he hasn't been eating his dinner. Don't worry, P will come and clean it up for you. He's like every dog owner's dream dog. He's just so chill. You know, life's good. If I could describe him, I would say that he's the turtle in Finding Nemo. Like, cool, dude. That's just his personality. Gonna miss having P over at the Key resident. Hey, P. Hey, Pee-wee. That's right. Yeah, it's alright. Nothing a washing machine can't fix. 5 more days until we get to pick up the keys. I'm like so excited. So I ended up ordering the TV. Also scheduled someone to come and mount it. Thank you. Mount my TV. Then I did it, guys. Is they I gay asn't they one, but I ought be the ouch K that I have been eyeballing. He's like, what the frick?
Yeah, you start.
Hey, asn't they one? Oh my gosh, it was an impulse purchase pay. And I was like,
this ISK always know what's going to be called say.
hi, sweet pea.
Huh?
Oh my gosh, the battery's flashing. Of course it is. Okay, guys, so I just swapped out the battery. Hold on, let me put this. So we are off. I'm gonna go and see my parents off. I just did not feel right knowing that they're about to leave and I'm just like here not saying goodbye. So heading over there now. Probably go to the Jollymont with them, drop them off. And I just can't believe that they're off again. Like, my parents have been to Samoa 5 times this year probably. Must be nice to be them. But yes, 5 times this year and I won't see them until next year.
Don't cry, no need to cry. You baby, come on down, come down. Come down. No need to cry. Go.
Let me dare cry. Look at it.
Yeah, I love you kids. Yeah, mangvia ko famud. Mawa o ko si Christmas fia mase. Pasang ko mangvia. Yeah. Yo bye bye kako. Amen.
Okay, thank you, Mom.
Aya unga ko papel ro vira bala bala ko apa kulalo le.
Mom, yeah, you hold that phone. You hold
Yeah, ko ay ko na.
That's one.
I will look that for the camera at that. And hold up with my network.
Friday, go on Friday 50 here.
Yeah.
I'm all on the thing on camera.
458. Go take a thumbnail. Come on, guys. Look at the camera. Where do you leave it? Come.
Look the camera lali.
Oh, yeah.
3, 2, 1. When you look.
Jump in.
3,
In the
2,
camera.
1, smile.
Yeah. Camera.
When? Yeah.
So you look at the camera.
Love you, Mom. See you soon.
Then I love Pepe and Eddie. Give me the mic.
Molly girl went straight to work. She came and said goodbye at the house. Oh, Mum's already on the bus. We are on our way to dinner. It is my sister-in-law's birthday. It's Ingrid's birthday, so happiest birthday, Ingy. Mum and Dad are on their way to Brisbane at the moment, missing them, so they won't be at the dinner, which is quite sad. I'm sure that they would really have wanted to be here. But some would want to be where they are, so there you go.
Yeah, just finished work, go straight to shower and then ready to go to dinner right now.
My brother was like, anyone who can make it to dinner, it's my shout for Ingy's birthday. I was like, say less, brother. What's the most expensive thing on the menu? That's what I'm getting. I'm going to get a $70 steak. Yeah, let's go.
I want to stay. Happy birthday, Ingrid.
Happy birthday, Ingy.
Not all the condiments there, you get your own.
Oh, you got this! The lucky ticket
We can tell that from all of us.
Yeah, that's from all the girls. What the heck? Wow, you guys are just sitting there.
So this squad, we're just playing with some pizza dough.
I don't think I would want to eat anything that was made with those hands.
And I wouldn't want to eat anything that was made with your dirty ass hands.
Oh my gosh, I have no idea what's going on with my face, guys. I went for a walk with Bear and like, you know when your face goes like tomato red, and then I was like, okay, I need to jump in the shower now. I had a super cold shower, but when you jump out, it still looks weird, like it's still red, it hasn't calmed down. That's just how I feel. Hey, Molly girl.
Happy birthday, Ingrid.
Hi, this squad.
What are you doing?
I'm eating my fish and chips, obviously.
Is that so obvious?
Yep, very obvious. It's my mum's birthday today.
What do you want to say to your mum?
Happy birthday, Mum. There's this pizza guy and he's making us some donuts. He gave us the pizza dough. Oh, fish and chips.
I don't think he's making you donuts because your
yeah.
hands probably
Who's
so
fish and
dirty.
Shout out to the pizza guy in Eagle Hawk down there.
Yeah?
He just
Why?
made us some donuts with
Shout
Nutella.
out to the pizza guy over there. Thanks, pizza
Shout out
guy.
to the pizza guy.
Yeah.
That's so nice of him. Thank you.
I have my fish and chips. I did not order chicken nuggets. I didn't order chicken nuggets.
What did you order?
After Vicky said, I doubt he's gonna make it.
Hey,
Yeah, that's what I thought. He was saying that he was going to make with the dough that they were handling. And I'm like, if that's the dough, I ain't eating that. Look how nice these donuts are.
Yep. Auntie Vicky, you never know when something's gonna happen. I'm gonna go get some water for us, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna go from his name's Hazel.
excuse?
And sometimes I play with him.
Oh. Aussie, who's your girlfriend?
You.
What? Ooh, guys, food is here, guys. So I got this pulled lamb dish. Aussie got the schnitzel. What did you get, Chris? The Kiev?
No, I got a palm in.
Oh.
It's Ingrid's favourite, date loaf.
Date loaf.
Because I couldn't find the actual, my pan.
What are you doing, Molly? I'm sharing the ice cream.
Oh.
It's food. Just wait. Your mom is singing happy birthday. Come here. You already had yours. I'll make a judgment. If you don't sing good, then you don't get it.
Happy birthday to you.
Everyone sing. Calm down, calm down.
You don't like it? Okay, we'll have some of this one.
Yeah.
How many? Very cool.
Eat it.
It's nice.
Yummy.